lang. No.
Hello, nice ko. Another flower.
The first cabana.
Siguro ko nga to sa resort.
I-request na siguro sila nga. No salt lang. Sige pa. Tigil ba? Yawa. Nag-web man. Yung towel ni may tingin na sa likod. I just got paid this week, no? Deng 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 deng. Asaha deng kubik ha, dili man pwede makuan ko. Ano yun? Mas your feet hurt? Ito yun. Piso. Kuwan ko nito. Ayun, palayo. Mas cloud, ha? Chart.
May kulit pa siya.
New shoes. On cloud, yo. Thank you, babe.
Welcome, babe.
Where are we?
We are in Iligan.
Iligan City. Hi, baby. What are you doing?
I am currently working right now. You know, the beauty of work from home.
Cookie, what are you doing? Che. Mighty, what are you doing?
Utro pa sa che.
Che ka din. Me, what am I doing? I'm just enjoying life. This is one of our slow morning because it's the 8th today.
Woohoo! Happy 8th!
Happy 8th anniversary in August 8th. That's 8/8. Later, we will bring you to a beautiful Cabana.
Kasaba is food, man.
Today, I'm so happy because I have new pair of shoes. And it's so aesthetic and so bright.
Yeah, may payong lagi. Libre?
Freebie.
Wi-Fi sa net. I was just talking about getting an umbrella. Nadala lagi ni Sulay shoot. Ay!
Ayaw, pag ginanaking palayason, kaya ta diri.
Do you see what I'm talking about, everyone?
Happy 8, babe.
Thank you, B. B, saan mo ni pag-upgrade ko? On,
You need,
nalagani?
you need to adjust that.
How do you turn it on?
Kita na isot sa.
Kung sa may ibabaw ni ka Ana? Kilig. Sobrang na makahuot. Saan sa ko?
Now, mga accessories. Okay. Sirado man. Ay. Hindi ko sure. Wow! Hala, nice ka. Another flower. No, Connie. Imo ha. Nice kayo, B.
Love it.
Maanad ganing ko ani oh. Hi. Hey. Hi.
Hello. Sorry ko.
Ang mga ibon na to. Dira na sila.
Dali lang sila, oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh. Ito na lang. Yawa.
8th, we are here at Linaw Retreat Resort in Iligan, Lanao del Norte. You see the place. It's actually in the mountains. So we went down the mountain to go up another mountain. So there's no service here, but they do have Wi-Fi. But only the first cabana will have the Wi-Fi, including the restaurant or the common area. But needless to say, the place is really nice. Each room has its own mini pool, and you have access to the river that's from the stream of Tinago Falls. Alrighty, here we can stay. Yeah, to hop on online, and then yan yung access of river nila. Common area. This is the common area. Yeah, it's so homey.
You can eat here if you want.
Yeah, I would like to.
Pwede sila po itong isda.
You need to make sure that they don't put salt, ha?
Yeah, I already told them no salt.
Pwede mo salt.
Okay. Pwede, ano sa meron sa taas? Staff room.
Staff room.
What do you want, darling?
Fish. Yes lang. The onions, garlic, dayon, pinch of pepper, black pepper, and
Because of the their target was the stream.
So we're about to get down 150 steps. So this is better than having to go to Tinago Falls because it's 350. Yeah, by the way, this property is just next to the Tinago Falls that has 350 steps down. So this one is less hangak. But still hangak.
It's still ongoing construction.
There's footpath but no arm paths.
There's no railing.
No rain. Are you sure about going down?
Why not?
So we're gonna go down tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna shoot going down.
They cheated.
I hope it's not gonna rain on our way up. You gotta be careful because the side is already the cliff.
The side is up.
The side is already the cliff.
We are on the cliff.
Exactly.
You mean it's like we're at the edge now?
We're at the edge. The fuck, the side.
The cliff, Jun. The side is already on the cliff.
Langka view.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ah, yeah, the fruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah. I mean, kanang hinog na. I like how they're cleaning. Lahit na basta ang staff ng mga babae. This is not worse than itong 54. Yeah, magbibilin ito kay saan kay to adik ng tubig.
Okay, bigyan me please.
The drought, no?
Is this recording?
Yes.
Oh.
You want one like that?
You can chill paddle. Asa na ito maliko?
Okay. Do you hear it? Shit. Just go. Dami ako. Ayaw ka.
Nahilaw ko na piston.
Okay. Kulba abi kay mo great. Nabad kalita ko ulo. Okay, don't look down. Madubiyara mga ilo dito. Gusto mo ito. Siya po mo tayo na oras ako.
Anak din.
Ang hadto ko hindi na ko malihok. Ikaw na nag-adjust. Sorry biha. Sana ba? Sakit na.
Taken by a professional.
Professional lagar ka. Hindi ko professional. Nakagraduate ba akong college? Yes, professional but not in that manner buang. Ikaw sa una kita para matabangan ko nimo.
Wimbawi.
Hindi, panginaw ko.
I'm gonna go there.
Go.
Stay here, huh?
Careful, ha?
Happy ako. Sa footpath. No, don't stay here.
This used to be part of the river.
Really? Hmm?
So what if there was a dam that was built? Why it became like this? No?
There's no water.
For a while na pa jud kay tubuan na.
We came from there. This is a restaurant. We're almost there. We made it. You tired? You wanna duyan there? There. Oh. Okay.
Kwarto. Taas na kong lamok kay. Ligo ta.
Paulas ita.
Oh.
Looking doon. Doon sa kanila sila.
Kasi medyo day untag na atang ito sa first cabana. Kay gatumang ang day dring entrance. Sabi ko magtutug gatumang entrance niya si may tira.
See. Watch shenanigans totally. Hi. Did you miss us? No, you did not. You did not miss us. Shucks. Done showering. We're going out again because we're going to work in their restaurant.
Pelo también.
Thank you. Happy 8th day, babe.
Wait, love.
Sana all. New phone. New watch.
Ah, ito lang kay deserve mo. Deserve. Delayed gratification. Old phone? 7 years. Oh, no. 6 years old. 6 years old. Old watch? You're not wearing it?
No.
4 years old. 2021. It was bought 2021. So, deserve.
Me, my new phone was 2 years ago. And the phone before that was, I can't remember, maybe 2015.
No. Scam. Same year as this.
And I didn't have a watch.
You have a watch.
Love you, babe.
Love you too, scammer. Anong isda po ito? Lapu-lapu. Ah, okay, I knew it. That's good. Na, thank you. Kaya nag-adjust jud kayo. Okay, roll that. May
Tikman ko na.
okay, look at me.
Nasa salad. Nabanto to press right on.
Oh, they have veg cheese. I can have cabbage, right?
Ayaw lang paginan sa sabaw.
Wala may salt. Aray, lawan sa ata.
Ako magdalaw. Negative.
Nashock man sila pag sabi ko. Panakot lang. I'm so excited for the fish. Did we say grace na? Did we say grace?
Yes.
Okay. Can we eat? I don't know what to give you, so just
Yeah, yeah, daily day. Eat well, babe.
It's so hard to clean the carpet daw. Or ang mga red wine, hindi siya magpalit. Does that make sense? 9:30.
Now we're gonna work. Really gonna wake you up. Car. I'm gonna be scared if ako na isa.
Scam ba ya kay kayo? Woke me up kuno hyper nag-chat ka na kog babe.
Effort na ka mag-roll sa mga eyes. Wilami siya.
I learned from the best. Maybe that's anete yung nalalasahan ni mama no? Nalalasahan ni mama ba?
Like, you taste all the spices. In the house, I mean in the room, and we're playing Jenga. Naglalaway. Kakaya! Kakaya! Maning!
Cookie! Jenga! Ayun na. Jenga! Cookie! Mighty baby! Dili siguro to ilahang iro no? Katong aspin.
Kasi, ano is it?
Wala man ni asin no?
Pag kana ka.
Ikaw man yung ganahan. Itulog saan na to.
Uy, igsuon ba na siya sa tag-iya ni mo, King. Ano ka dyan ko, King? Huwag labot, ah.
Dream about them? I know that's why you wreck things. Push me.
Oh my gosh, Cookie!
Lost.
What the F?
Sana all. Sabi is, bantay lang. Malihok mo ha. Don't move ha. Don't move.
Kablo sa day nga mo na yung hapin.
Siya na, ikaw na ba?
Oh my gosh! Ah!
Really, dude?
Oh!
Scam. What the? Yeah, words.
Nag-video.